In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up cron expression trigger in n8n. By the end, you'll have a workflow that runs automatically on a schedule using the built-in schedule trigger node, which gives you cron style control without writing a cron string yourself. Start by opening n8n in your browser and heading to your workspace. From there, you'll be taken to your workflows area and into a new workflow canvas. If you see a blank canvas, that's exactly where you want to be. On the canvas, click Add a First Step. This opens the node picker, which is where you select what your workflow should do. In the search bar, type Schedule Trigger, then click it to add the node. The schedule trigger is what tells n8n when to start your workflow automatically. It supports cron expressions as well as simple interval scheduling, and in this setup we'll use the interval mode to get the same predictable timing with a clear form-based configuration. With the node selected, choose Trigger Interval. This mode is ideal when you want a workflow to run every few days at a specific time without composing a cron expression. It's especially helpful for teams who want cron-like behavior with straightforward fields. Next, enter the value for days between triggers. This is the cadence. For example, set it to 1 for a daily run, 7 for weekly, or any number that matches your needs. This value determines the gap between each run, so choose something that aligns with your process or reporting cycle. Then select Trigger at Hour. The hour uses a 24-hour clock. If you prefer 3 p.m., enter 15. For 8 a.m., enter 8. The time used by the trigger follows your n8n instance's time zone settings, so make sure your workspace or user profile is configured to the correct time zone if you expect local time behavior. That helps avoid surprises around daylight saving changes. After that, enter Trigger at Minute. This is the minute within the hour when the run should start. For example, enter 00 to run exactly on the hour, or 30 to run at half past. Combining hour and minute lets you place the trigger at a consistent, predictable time. Finally, click Test Trigger. This action fires the schedule trigger once so you can confirm everything is wired correctly. You should see an execution start from the schedule trigger node. If the test doesn't produce an execution, double check that your hour and minute are valid values and that the node is properly added to the canvas. That's it. You've configured a cron style schedule in n8n using the schedule triggers interval mode, giving you reliable automated starts for any workflow you build on top of it.